Hello friends, today I am going to discuss how to use the list in C++ using the standard template library. So first of all you need to include this list. Okay. Then I have created a class course. There's private section, public section. In private section, course credit, course name. These are my variables which I am using, and this is my constructor, that is parameterized constructor. So I have initialized the value. Then I have used getter and setter methods of this class, and now I have created one more method which is outside this class. It's not a member of any class, just which returns a boolean compare course credit, where it accepts two values x and y. Then in a main method, as usual, I have created 5 objects. That is what the credit and course name. Okay, now in the next line, I have created a list which is going to store only what kind of data? Integer data. And then as I used in a vector, the same method I have used, I have to add data in my list. And now, so C1 dot get course credit, which is like 5, then C2 get course credit, which is 2, 4, 1, 7. So all these course credit I have added in my list, right? So after that, I just want to sort my list, where this is my function where I have written the sorting techniques. Like let's say, so these numbers which I have passed here, course credit, right? I just want to sort those elements. So lt.sort, this sort function is available in the list. It needs a function name, where I have written this function name. Again, remember, don't specify your function with this. Just remember this. Don't specify this brackets. Just you need to specify function name. Then I have written this like, okay, it returns a boolean, return x less than y. Compare course credit means you have to order your list in ascending order, right? First this 1 will get printed, then 2, then 4, 5 and 7. That is what this logic is. So after that, after comparing it, just print my list. What I have done here, again list, scope resolution operator, iterator, I list begin course credit sorted order, print your list till end of list. Now let's take an output. Okay, here it is what my sorted order, that is course credit or 1, 2, 4, 5, 7. This is my sorted order. Now if I change my logic, if we, let's say instead of less than, if x should be greater than, descending order. Now 7, 5, 4, 2, 1. So on which parameter you want to sort, that logic you can write here. Now maybe right now I have used a course credit which is integer. You can apply on string as well, like here course name in chronological order. Means C++, computer, then so fundamentals. First of all Android, then C, C++. So like that you can apply on a course name also. You can try on course name. So just look at this reverse method which is available for list as well, right? So if I run it, so previously now it was for descending order, and if you say list reverse, again it is what, in the ascending order. Just explore this method reverse and sort. Just see this program which I have given, and then you can customize it. You can apply it on your problem statement. So, okay, that's it for list.